Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I've got another cap here from a fantastic company that I've done 2 pork pie caps with. I've done more than that, but the 2 pork pies are my highlights right now because I got something similar to that right now. First of all, I'm going to bring back a little memory for you guys. Who remembers National Lampoon movies growing up back in the 80s, especially the European vacation one? You guys remember the one when Clark, when they were at the festival and he goes to that folk dance where he's like slapping the knees and then they're all dancing and then the guy slaps in the face and then Clark headbutts him. The next thing he starts a fight because of it. Well, this cap here reminds me of that cap he wore. It's a Trilby cap. It is by Cappello fashion and it is a patchwork cap. And I was excited to give this a try. And not only once I ordered this, they ended up getting their patchwork pork pie caps back in stock, which I'll be ordering soon. But again, this is the Italian Patchwork Trilby style hat. This is a limited edition, and I did get a large, but let me go ahead and tell you who it looks like here. And again, it is patchwork. Of course, you got they ship these things so great. It came in a bag. I already had taken it out of there before the review started. But it has that old, like Swiss type, not yodeling, whatever that. Yeah, but man, this cap looks nice. I love the patchwork. It's different, but it's something I wanted to try. I was like, what the hell? Let's go ahead and do it. But it is made in Italy. Again, Italian craftsmanship. There it is. And this is UV, correct? Because this is going to be a summer cap. And it's made by Patchwork, I believe it is. But man, look at that. Look at that. It's definitely got that look. It actually got that look like Clark. Well, not Clark actually didn't wear this cap. It was more the guy that was slapping him wore these kind of caps. But also, it also reminds me of like the bad guys in like the old Miami Vice, the TV show, where they always wore hats like this, Every time you seen somebody in the 80s wear a hat like this in a movie, it was a bad guy that sold drugs and he was like the evil guy. And that's what it kicks me back to. But let's go ahead and show a close-up of this. And yeah, that's what it reminds me of. But who remembers the National Lampoon? Isn't that a great show? Great movie. When he was recording his wife and the lady guy, his camera got stolen, and the next thing she's on the billboard and everything else. That was great. That was great. Great memories. Would I'd go back to live a couple days back then? Worry-free, stress-free, media-free. But yeah, let's go and show a close-up of this. There it is. This is the Italian Patchwork Trilby hat. And like I said, they just came back they just got their pork pie, just similar like this, back in stock. Which, like I said, I'll be ordering here soon. But yeah, that's just a great-looking cap. I'm pretty psyched about this. Yeah. Not bad. Not freaking bad. Then you got the large there, the name of the company. Size large here. There's the name of the company. I think it's Patchwork. This is sold by Cappello Fashion Company. Of course, you got the UV rating. Keep you out of those in the bad sun there. That gives you little sunspots everywhere. Yep, you don't want those. All right, let's go ahead and try it on.
Welcome to the Gentleman's Round Table. Pull up a chair.
You can watch us on Tuesdays at 7:30 p.m. Central.
Would you fancy some cheese and crackers?
All right, so now it's time for me to rhyme that ass and rap. All right. And this is the Patchwork Patchwork Trilby hat. All right. Not bad now. I like it. I like it. Definitely gives me something different to wear rather than the pork pie all the time. Yeah, I like how it comes down here like this. A little bit different. Keeps the sun out of the eyes. Protects the noggin. Especially when you have no fur upstairs like I don't. All right, not bad. Not freaking bad. I love it. I like it. Something different. Something different for sure. Yeah. Huh. I like it. I'm gonna have to start doing those, what was the name of the, like, they were always patting on the knees, and then they'd wrap their arm, go around, and slap the guy in the face. And Clark took exception to it. Yeah, good old Clark Griswold. What did I do to have another one of those come out? That last one they did with where Rusty was growing up, and that wasn't that good. And they were swimming in the cesspool. Yeah, that's a good looking cap though. I like that. I like it a lot. Not bad. I'm trying to turn it over a new leaf. Other wearing scally caps all the time. You know, and when you wear something like this, you're definitely going to stick out a little bit more. You know, I like it. Not bad. Now I got to think of a thumbnail. Should I do the National Lampoons type thumbnail where they're dancing? Or should I do like the 80s, you know, drug lord from Miami Vice days? You know, actually, I think it was in, yeah, I know they're in Miami Vice, but I think it was also in Commando. In the movie Commando with Arnold Schwarzenegger, where the mean guy was wearing this thing, with the head honcho guy. Yeah. I'm gonna give this like a 4.3, 4.4, a little bit different. I gotta get a little used to it, but I like it. Wife might like this a lot. I have to show her. I might have to wear this tomorrow when we go out. It's supposed to be 90 degrees tomorrow. All right. Also, I wanted to go you guys something. You know, I do the Gentleman's Roundtable every Tuesday. I'm actually going to be doing another show on Sunday morning at 9 a.m. It's going to be me and Brim's at the beach. His name's Brian. And we're going to be doing a Sunday morning show. It's going to be called Moose and Knuckles. And we're going to be trying to be a little bit more, bring more of the lighter things in life out rather than everything so serious you see on the media. We're trying to be something that just can be fun to watch, something to tune into, laugh, chuckle, share some memories. And, you know, I'm good friends with Brian. Met him in Myrtle Beach when I lived in Myrtle Beach. And we stayed pretty close since then. It's been, about 10 years now? Somewhere around there. And just a great guy, great family. And, but yeah, if you guys want to tune into that, it's going to be called Moose and Knuckles. Our first one will be the 24th, I believe. Let me just double check that real quick. And I'm pretty sure it'll be the 24th. Yep, Sunday the 24th at 9 a.m. And I don't know if it's going to be 9 a.m. 9 a.m. It's going to be, 9 a.m. Eastern time. It'll last about an hour. But yeah, 9 a.m. I don't know if it's 9 a.m. Hold on. Don't quote me on that. It might be 8 a.m. Eastern time, 9 a.m. Oh, no. 9 a.m. Eastern. Yes, 9 a.m. Eastern time. That's what it is. Duh. Yeah, it'll be 8 a.m. my time. So it'll be 9 a.m. Eastern time, the 24th of May. It'll be called Moose and Knuckles. It's going to be pretty funny stuff. And I'd like you guys to watch that as well and comment and share some of your stories as well. And we're just trying to bring laughter and lighten the mood up a little bit because everybody needs that every once in a while. And everything don't have to be so serious all the time. Again, Reviews of Moose, Cappello Fashion Company, another great Trilby cap. Everybody have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.